Today we're installing roof anchors on the underneath a ridge vent, and as you can see, we're tied off, and we're doing them 8 foot apart. So we measured, and this is the location of the next rafter. So we're going to go ahead and take these shingles off. We're going to remove these shingles. We're trying to preserve the shingles intact. We're just trying to get these caps. So it's open. Now what we'll do is we'll take
oscillating multi-tool,
and we'll just basically cut a piece of ridge vent out. We did about 12 inches just so we can access the rafter and put the anchors on. And if we take care, then we can put this piece back on and put the capping back on top. Now we're going to actually cut some tape. This is like window tape with a sealant on it. I'm going to put one here and one here to hide the nail holes, actually seal the nail holes. So as you notice, we seal along the edge so that all the nails are protected. The ones that we had to pull out, there's a hole here and there. We're sealing it over to protect those. Now we'll install these anchors. We're going to make sure that this edge is at least beyond that point there. And we're going to use some, I think it's number 10 3-inch screws. Fill all the holes. Actually, you can use one that goes over the top, but because of the ridge vent, this works better, so it has a clearance. We don't have to do any altering of this edge. It fits better. Go ahead, and we're gonna just seal this, just so it doesn't really stick out. use the tape to also cover the hanger itself, or the anchor itself. All right, so we're sealed up nice and tight. All the holes here. We're going to put the ridge vent back on. We just put it the way it fits. It's nice and tight, and we'll attach it with some nails. We'll do one in each corner on this one. Final shingle, because we left the nails intact, we'll just cut a little piece out of this so that the nail line on the other end won't if for some reason you break the shingles, you can always put a little bit of sealant into there. So that's done. So all we have to do now is come and latch on.